Try in a couple weeks. Okay. Yeah, we about to see what I can do. Woo! I still got it. Very little though. It's only the warm up though. Only the warm up. Man is up next.
Record, that's it. You see the numbers on it?
Yeah.
It's telling you that you're recording. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off with something simple. You're gonna see TJ start off with what the hell going on? All right, there we go. You can see TJ start off with weighted, but TJ already been here. I'm late as shit. This ain't a usual thing. But you know, I'm late, my bad. But we about to get to the money. This is gonna make it easier. I don't really wanna focus on a lot of grip today. So I'm gonna use these game grip wraps. I'm gonna make sure I click the link. I'm gonna make sure I put the link below, whatever that bullshit is. But let's get to the work. You know what I'm saying? These drinks. Just make everything so much easier. It's easy. Real easy. It's the thing. You can't do 30 push-ups and not at least do 20 pull-ups. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it.
Money making Mitch. Money making Mitch.
We going back down memory lane on this.
Money making Mitch. Money making Mitch.
Remember, this is the belt. Belt gonna get you right. If you can do pull-ups, right? If you can do pull-ups, do me a favor. If you can easily knock out 3 sets of 10, start working in the weight. 5 pounds, 10 pounds, 25,
35, 45, 55, 65, 75, whatever number. Just don't kill yourself.
Let's get it. He said, let's go to work. We working. 1, 2, easy. 3, 4, 5, look at that. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Ooh, see? Isometric holds, king. Isometric holds, check that. You ain't see that? Nice. Come on. Nice and control. Woo. Easy. Woo. Easy. It's been a minute, but it look easy. It's been a minute. That's 45 plates, y'all. Woo. 45 pounds. You about to get ready.
45.
45 pounds. Let's get it.
You did push-ups, man.
Ooh, you gonna push
Man
up?
said push-ups, man.
Oh, he said, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh. One thing about TJ, you're not gonna outwork him. He's not gonna let you outwork him.
Energy for days.
And then on top of this, get this very clear, natural physiques here.
All natural.
All natural physiques here.
I don't take no.
He don't need to be fucking with the pre-workout just to get y'all to understand.
I
want you to know how legit this kid is right here. He don't even do pre-workout.
I tried it. Wasn't for me. I don't do no caffeine.
There we go.
Nah, man. If I'm tired, yawning, boy, I let that energy rise up inside.
Facts.
I don't need no kickstart. You feel me?
I feel it.
You feel me? Let me do that again. I don't need no kickstart. I don't need none of that.
Ooh.
I don't need none of that.
Let me get my set. I'm cheating today's workout. I'm using wrist wraps. I tell y'all, I like to add them in to preserve a lot of resistance or just work the area a little bit more. These allow you to get a lot stronger because of forearms, generally, they're going to break out. We see that break down. We see that a lot with pull-ups. A lot of people forearms break down before the actual back. So do understand, getting the wrists and forearms stronger is going to be able to help you be able to lift more and do a little bit more. But like I said, today, I want to break some of the resistance, but still put in the work. Because I did back. Man, I've been doing some wild shit. It's not a here nor there. TJ be like, put the work in. So I got you.
Good. Easy.
I gave y'all 5 more because the back really started to warm up. I'm still gonna do 30. It's 15. 15. Count them up on the boy. Coming for another 10. Coming for another 10. Seven. 3 more. 3 more.
You getting there?
Take that minimum rest. Get back to it. That's 7. It's how we work. It's how we get strong. Forget, always chase 1 rep, mainly if you're trying to get stronger. And 2, isometric holds at the top. Let those weak points get stronger and stronger. Let's get it.
And before I even start this, if y'all don't know, I'm a big music man. Always gotta rock out to some joint whenever you about to do these crazy sets, man. The joint always loud, baby, always loud. Everyone does that shit. I'm different. My music different. Shit.
Nice. Look at that. Look at that. He's trying to give you the L sit at the same time. You gotta get them feet up real quick. Get them feet up. There we go. Ooh. I'm next. I gotta go to the 45 now. These motherfuckers will struggle for real. So I'm a little nervous about walking into these. I tried these a couple weeks ago, and I got humbled. Time to start putting them back into the routine. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, like I said, I'm late. I gotta catch up. Hopefully I can really catch up, but let's get it.
Man, you got this.
Told you. So in this scenario, this is what I gotta do. I gotta pay motherfucking taxes, man. Can only do 5 right now. This is the reality of it. So we gotta do those. And then I owe 10 of these. I can do these.
Let's go.
I'm gonna walk to this spot. I told you. Weighted pull-ups, I fell off. I fell off with the weighted pull-ups. I get smoked in these easy nowadays. 2 more. Woo. And this is why you gotta be careful of biting off too much that you can chew. Those 2 sets right there easily burnt me out real quick to be able to do these next few. But we still gotta put the work in. Whew. Damn, I'm hurt. I'm hurt. And I'm using cheat codes and shit. I'm using cheat codes, but it's cool. Let's get it. That was the last one, or we? Oh, he can record now. He gonna make sure the people know I said we tapping out on that shit. I don't want that shit.